Farm Bill Chapter 2 Promotion and Facilitation of Trade and Commerce of Farmers' Produce. Subject to the provision of this Act, any farmer or trader or electronic trading and transaction platform shall have the freedom to carry on the interstate or intrastate trade and commerce in farmers' produce in a trade area. Any trader may engage in the interstate trade or intrastate trade of scheduled farmers' produce with a farmer or another trader in a trade area, provided that no trader except the farmer producer organization or agriculture cooperative society shall trade in any scheduled farmers produce unless such a trader has a permanent account number allotted under the Income Tax Act 1961 or such other document as may be notified by the central government. The central government may be it is of the opinion that it is necessary and expedient in the public interest so to do prescribed a system for electronic registration for a trader, modalities of trade transaction and mode of payment of the scheduled farmers produce in a trade area. Every trader who transacts with farmers shall make payment for the traded scheduled farmers produce on the same day or within the maximum 3 working days if procedurally so required, subject to the condition that the receipt of delivery mentioning the due payment amount shall be given to the farmer on the same day. Provided the central government may prescribe a different procedure of payment by farmer producer organization or agriculture cooperative society by whatever name called linked with the receipt of payment up from the buyers. Any person other than individual having a permanent account number allotted under the Income Tax Act 1961 or such other document as may be notified by the central government or any farmer producer organization or agriculture cooperative society may establish and operate an electronic trading and transaction platform for facilitating interstate or intrastate trade and commerce of scheduled farmers produce in a trade area, provided that the person establishing and operating an electronic trading and transaction platform shall prepare and implement the guidelines for the fair trade practices such as mode of trading, fees, technical parameters including interoperability with other platforms, logistics arrangements, quality assessments, timely payments, dissemination of guidelines in local language of the place of operation of the platform and such other matters. If the central government is of the opinion that it is necessary and expedient in public interest so to do, it may for electronic trading platforms by rules specify the procedure, norms, manner of registration and specify the code of conduct, technical parameters including interoperability with other platforms and modalities of trade transaction including logistics arrangements and quality assessments of scheduled farmers produce and mode of payment. For facilitating fair interstate and intrastate trade and commerce of scheduled farmers produce in a trade area. No market fee or cess or levy by whatever name called under any state APMC Act or any other state law shall be levied on any farmer or trader or electronic trading and transaction platform for trade and commerce in scheduled farmers produce in a trade area. The central government may through any central government organization develop a price information and market intelligence system for farmers produce and framework for dissemination of information relating thereto. The central government may require any person owning and operating an electronic trading and transaction platform to provide information regarding such transactions as may be prescribed. Explanation. For the purpose of this section, the expression central government organization includes any subordinate or attached office, government owned or promoted company or society.